Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So the topic for today is Keycloak setup and its integration with the Laravel app. So let's first discuss what a Keycloak is. So Keycloak is an identity and access management open source tool. So what it basically does, it helps you authenticate to an application or a secure service with a minimum effort. We can also use Keycloak to authenticate with multiple applications, and you don't need to store user or any authenticating user in your each and every application. So Keycloak provides you with authentication, user management, and many more features. So here are some key features that Keycloak has. First one is single sign-on. It provides you a single sign-on for the multiple applications. And within the Keycloak, you can also have an identity brokering and a social logins. So you don't need to integrate each and every social login code into your code base. You can just do one configuration with Keycloak and add other to Keycloak itself. Third one is admin console where you can manage your realms. We're going to discuss what realms are and your users. And fourth one is account management system. So this one is for the users to see like where their sessions are being created and what applications they have access to. Let's discuss the basic key requirements or what we're gonna learn. Basically, what will be our step to learn the Keycloak setup. So first, we're gonna do a simple, basic, clean setup of a Keycloak for a local development environment to see how things go. In first setup, no data will persist. So to persist that data in second setup, we're gonna use a MySQL integration with a Keycloak. In MySQL, we can do two things. Either I can up a service within the same container, within the same Docker container, or I can connect it to an external MySQL. And the third step is I'm going to integrate that Keycloak setup with the Laravel app to see how we can do the authentication. So let's discuss the minimum requirements that a Keycloak requires to run. Needs an operating system of Linux, Windows or Mac, CPU with 1 gigahertz dual core or higher, RAM of 2 GB minimum recommended. It takes some space, like 512 is the minimum, and disk space up to 1 GB depending upon the data and time like it will run on. And we need to have a Docker because I'm going to use Docker to set it up and then expose it to a port 8080. If you don't have your port 8080 empty, you can add other configuration to which port you want it to expose to. But internally, Keycloak always gets up on 80 as Nginx gets up on 80. So that's the thing.